Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create and delete a Linux VM in Azure. I have logged into my Azure portal. Click create resource. So we are going to create a virtual machine. So click virtual machine. Click create new because I don't have any resource group. So I am going to create this as a VM group. Then we need to give a name for this virtual machine. So I'm going to give the name as demo VM. And you can select a region. So I'll select as US, East US. And the image is obviously Ubuntu. And the size we need to, you can see all the sizes, and then decision on the, I will use B1S because it's for free services. I'll select that. And for the SSH, I'm not going to use the public key, rather I will just give a username and password. It is Linux admin. Then I need to give a password. Let me give the password. It should have like one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So we will use the selected inbound ports for accessing this system using the SSH22. Click next. So we will use the default size 30 GB and the OS disk type. So we will use the less cheaper one. Okay, so we will key management, we will leave it as the platform managed key itself. Then click next. Networking. We don't have virtual network, so new virtual network will be created, and the subnet will be 10.0.0.0/24, and the new IP also will be created. Click next. So if you want to enable auto shutdown, you can enable this and specify the time when you want this VM to be shut down. Click next. I'm going to leave everything as default. Click next. So in this advanced sections, if you wanted to install any extensions, or if you wanted to add any custom data which has to be passed to the VM, or if you wanted to any script to be executed, so all these things you'll be able to provide here. You can enable the user data and then you can pass some information here. Click next. So you can add the tags which will be associated with this VM. So I'm not going to add any tags now. So it says this is going to be the cost per hour. Click create. The deployment of the VM is in progress. It has successfully created the network security group, public address, virtual network, and now it is creating the VM. So the VM along with the associated resources have been successfully provisioned. Click go to resource. You can see the public IP of the VM here. Let's copy it. Let's try to access the VM from our system. SSH. This is the username we have given. It's asking for the password. Now we have successfully logged into the VM which we created just now. Now let us see how we can delete this VM. Click delete. So it is going to display the associated resources. Click yes and click delete. It is deleting the VM. So all other resources which we created as part of creating the virtual machine also has been deleted. In this video, we have seen how to create and delete Linux virtual machine in Azure. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.